Hello and welcome to Signature TV News Highlights for this Tuesday. I am Marvelous Obomman. An explosion at the Nembe Bonny Jetty waterfront in Port Harcourt, Rivers State, has killed at least 10 people, including a pregnant woman and 3 children, with many others also sustaining burns and injuries following the incident that took place on Monday. John, an eyewitness, reported that over 40 people, including children, were transporting stolen petroleum products from the Kula community to Port Harcourt using a boat when a cigarette smoker threw his cigarette butt into the sea, and unfortunately, a significant amount of oil has spilled into the water, resulting to the fire outbreak. Those who sustained burns from the incident were rushed to the hospital, while both operators and business owners were seen trying to save valuable items from the flames spread across the jetty, engulfing boats, shops, and wares nearby. A staff of the Nigerian Airspace Management Authority (NAMA), Anyekan Effiong, slumped and died on duty on Monday. Effiong, who is an air traffic controller at the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport, Abuja, reportedly slumped due to vehicular restrictions to the total radar coverage of Nigerian sites while at his duty post, but could not be rushed to the hospital. NAMA has confirmed the death of the officer, saying Effiong was a hardworking and dedicated staff who died at the prime of his career, adding that he will be missed by the General Manager of Public Affairs, Khalid Emele, and the entire NAMA community. The Minister of Health, Dr. Osagi Ehanire, on Monday said 200 million fund widely said to be for the procurement of malaria net was in fact for the malaria eradication program in 13 states. The minister stated this during a media briefing on the COVID-19 response in Abuja to clarify the situation due to the ongoing rumors concerning the fund. It was reported that the Senate Committee on Local and Foreign Laws on Tuesday kicked against the proposal by the Federal Minister of Health to borrow $200 million under the malaria program to buy mosquito nets in the 2022 budget. Ehanire explained that the United States of America and the Global Health Fund had promised to support the eradication fight in some states, while adding that the fund was not just for the purchase of mosquito nets, but the eradication of malaria in the 13 states. President Muhammadu Buhari has approved February 2022 for the conduct of the National Convention of the All Progressives Congress (APC). Chairman of the Progressive Governors Forum and Kebbi State Governor Atiku Bagudu announced this on Monday in Abuja while briefing the State House correspondents after a meeting with the President at the presidential villa in the nation's capital city. Governor Bagudu, who was accompanied to the villa by the chairman of the APC National Caretaker Committee and Yobe State Governor Mai Malabuni, as well as Governor Abubakar Badaru of Jigawa State, told the State House correspondents that the governors resolved that the convention should hold in February 2022, and the same suggestion was proposed to the President for approval. He, however, stated that the party's leadership was yet to decide on a specific date to conduct its national convention, adding that the party would notify the Independent National Electoral Commission while it works out a timetable. The Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Commission (ICPC) has arraigned the chairman of Gwagwalada Area Council, Adamu Danze, for allegedly receiving 10 million naira kickback from a contractor handling construction projects in the area council. Danze was arraigned by the commission before Justice U.P. Kekemeke of the Federal Capital Territory High Court 4 on allegations of corruption bordering on abuse of office and gratification, but pleaded not guilty when the charges were read to him, while the warrant was subsequently dismissed by the trial judge after a plea by the defense counsel, Abdul Mohammed. Counsel to the ICPC, Michael Adeshola, in his counter-argument, averred that the accused was very deliberate in his actions of ignoring court sittings, as he was duly served all proceedings since last year, and also opposing the bail application, prayed the court to remand the accused in a correctional facility to prevent him from interfering and intimidating witnesses, some of whom were employees in the area council. Justice Kekemeke, having listened to both counsels, held that the defendant cannot jump bail based on his current position and admitted Danze to bail in the sum of 20 million naira and a surety in like sum, while the case was adjourned until March 1st, 2022 for trial. Safety and security begin with you. Be patriotic. Report any suspicious activity to law enforcement agencies. Please stay safe. That's the Signature TV News highlight. For details, visit www.signaturetv.org. And please don't forget to join us later in the evening for Signature TV News updates. On behalf of my producer and narrator Eze, thanks for watching. I am Marvelous Obomman.